Pickleball is growing fast, and the right paddle can make a huge difference in your power, control, spin, and overall performance. Today, I'm ranking the 8 best pickleball paddles of 2026, from beginner-friendly options to premium carbon fiber paddles built for competitive play. Links are in the description with updated pricing. Let's get into it. Opening at number 8, the Dinkley Pickleball paddles are the beginner-friendly entry point on this list. The 14mm polymer honeycomb core creates a larger hitting area with a lightweight head, the combination that produces the forgiveness beginners need while they're developing consistent contact. The graphite fiber surface provides excellent shock absorption and elasticity, delivering a smooth, controlled feel that reduces the harsh feedback that can discourage new players during early sessions. The 8-ounce weight sits in the easy handling range without sacrificing enough stability to affect shot quality. The set: 2 paddles, 4 outdoor pickleballs, and the avocado sling bag with a small front pocket for phones and keys provides everything a new player needs to get on the court immediately. The wave-check graphics and distinctive green colorway make this one of the most visually appealing beginner sets available. For players just discovering pickleball who want a fun, accessible, complete starter set, the Dinkley delivers. Number 7 is the MTEN Pickleball paddles. The fiberglass surface is the key material differentiator from the graphite entry-level paddles below it. Fiberglass provides excellent rotational performance. The surface interacts with the ball in a way that generates more natural spin on ground strokes and volleys without requiring advanced technique to execute. The polypropylene honeycomb core reduces vibration and achieves stable speed at ball contact, producing the consistent ball strike feel that developing players need to build timing and rhythm. The 7.78 to 7.8 ounce weight range sits in the medium category, light enough for quick reactions at the kitchen line without sacrificing the stability needed for drive shots from the baseline. The perforated, sweat-absorbent, cushioned grip with 4.57-inch circumference allows maximum wrist snap for power and spin. For intermediate players who want fiberglass performance over graphite at an accessible price, the M10 set is the pick. At number 6, the Tenvina Hercules Pro T700 SC steps into the competitive performance tier, and the thermoforming technology combined with the 4-layer carbon fiber composite surface is the engineering foundation that earns this paddle serious consideration. The hot-pressed T700 SC carbon fiber surface with the unique matte texture delivers a high friction coefficient for precise hits and high-speed spin generation, the surface characteristic that competitive players specifically seek in a carbon fiber paddle. The thermoforming process wraps 3 carbon fiber layers at the edges with foam injection into the gaps, creating a larger sweet spot than standard construction achieves. The polymer honeycomb control core provides the batting feeling and control precision that tournament-level play demands. The gold edging and Tenvina linear logo create a distinctive aesthetic. USAPA certification confirms tournament eligibility. For competitive players who want thermoformed carbon fiber performance with shape and grip customization at a mid-range price, the Hercules Pro delivers. Number 5 is the Dulce Dom Pickleball paddles. The set of 4 paddles means everyone plays. No one sits out because you only brought 2. Combined with 2 indoor and 2 outdoor pickleballs and a spacious pickleball sling bag, this is the complete package for family gatherings, community events, school programs, and social club introductions to the sport. The bag itself is genuinely spacious. It accommodates rackets, balls, a cell phone, wallet, umbrella, towels, and a water bottle with an adjustable shoulder strap designed to prevent muscle strain. The 9-ply hard basewood construction with protective rubber edge reinforcement provides durability for recreational use across a wide range of skill levels and ages. USPA certification confirms quality standards. The 10.58-ounce weight per paddle provides the swing stability and power transfer that recreational play benefits from. For families and social groups who want to play pickleball together without the learning curve of competitive equipment, this set is the ideal solution. At number 4, the Tenvina Hercules T700 SC earns its position as the mid-tier carbon fiber performance pick. The multi-layer T700SC carbon fiber face using dry jet wet spinning technology delivers greater power and control than standard manufacturing processes. The technology produces more consistent fiber density and surface characteristics across the paddle face. The matte textured carbon surface offers high friction for precise hits and high-speed spin, while providing abrasion resistance in intensive continuous play. The polymer honeycomb core with elastic material provides a large sweet spot and exceptional stability. The ridged grip protrusions with non-slip synthetic leather and sweat-wicking perforations ensure secure hold through aggressive play. USAPA certification confirms tournament eligibility. For competitive players who want to match their paddle configuration specifically to their playstyle at a competitive price, the Hercules T700SC is the pick. The bronze medal goes to the Jajalaman Pickleball paddles. The Toray T700SC raw carbon fiber, specifically the 3K weave, is a high-specification material choice that produces a paddle with exceptional strength, rigidity, and surface consistency. The textured four-directional carbon fiber weave provides strength in all directions simultaneously, enlarging the optimal striking area and minimizing dead spots across the face. Most competitive carbon fiber paddles optimize for one or two directions. The four-directional weave addresses the full striking surface. The thermoformed design creates a single-piece paddle construction that is more resistant to delamination and structural failure than conventionally assembled paddles. This manufacturing approach produces a more consistent flex and feel across the entire face. No soft spots, no inconsistent response zones. The 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core with foam edges absorbs impact effectively for smooth, controlled shots. For competitive and serious recreational players who want thermoformed carbon fiber construction with superior surface consistency, the Shark 100 is a compelling pick at its price point. Number 2 is the Selkirk Sport SLK Pickleball paddles. Selkirk is one of the most respected names in pickleball, a brand that professional and high-level amateur players trust. And the SLK line represents their entry into accessible pricing without abandoning their performance engineering principles. Redesigned from the ground up for 2026, the SLK delivers style, performance, and value in an all-court, control-leaning design that the widest range of players benefit from. The fiberglass face enhances power and makes spin generation accessible, even for developing players. Fiberglass surface characteristics help new players achieve the spin they see better players produce without requiring the technical refinement that raw carbon fiber surfaces demand. The 14mm polymer core balances soft touch with responsive drive power for genuine all-court versatility from the baseline to the kitchen line. For players at the beginner to intermediate transition who want a trusted brand's engineering applied to an accessible price point, the Selkirk SLK is the pick. And the best pickleball paddle of 2026 is the Jula Pro 5. The kinetic frame technology is the headline innovation. Inspired by the way a hockey stick flexes to load and release energy, absorbing force during contact and releasing it explosively at ball departure, the kinetic frame construction adapts to your swing. It delivers explosive power on aggressive drives while maintaining the control and forgiveness needed for defensive play and soft shots at the kitchen. This isn't a marketing concept. It's a structural engineering approach that changes how the paddle interacts with your swing mechanics across different shot types. The elongated Perseus shape at 16.5 by 7.5 inches with an 8.1-ounce average weight is engineered specifically for increased power, extended reach, and faster swing speed. For competitive players, or any player whose game has reached the point where their paddle is the limiting factor, the Jula Pro 5 is the definitive answer. That's the 8 best pickleball paddles of 2026, ranked. Links are in the description with updated pricing. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and I'll see you on the court.